How you doing, Chilango? Chilango is the best mechanic. So he broke his back when he was a kid. Every time he gets a new job, he hurts himself, and then he goes for workers' comp for 6 months. Workers' comp is gonna come after you. Hold on. I'm just kidding. Alright, workers' comp. He doesn't do that shit. He's a very good customer. What's up?
There's a check for the ice, please.
Okay, I got you, bro. So we got a Ferrari 360 Modena. Everyone wants to know what's going on with the front harness and how the wiring works, or if anyone knows the schematic and this and that. It took me about 4 days to kind of figure shit out. And the wiring, it's so simple that it's stupid. You know, it's stupid simple. So here are the fuse boxes. You have fuse box A, B, C. All right, in the schematic, okay, so this is 5A, this is 7A, and this is 8A, okay? So here are your fuses. All right, here's the wiring. You know, these are all colors. So these are all colors for 8, and then this is for fuse box B, all the colors, and this is for fuse box A. So there's 2 harnesses that come from the inside. All right, so the 2 harnesses, all right, so you have the black dots are coming from inside the car. All these white circles, they're out here, so you kind of got to figure it out. So you have 11B connects to 1A, which is that guy right there. All right, and then you have 10B connects to 2A, which is that guy right there. All right, so let's look for a fuse. For example, let's see this red 7A. So we want to know where this fuse is, 7A. All right, so the orange, you can't follow it. So 7A, guess what? 7A goes to fuse B, which is 7A right here. And then you gotta figure it out. See, there's a red wire here, there's red wire here, there's a bunch of red wires. So which red wire are we referring to? So when you go to 7A, right there, red wire, 2A. So that's 2A, and this is 7A. So from 2A, it will tell you, go to 7A, and then when you go to 7A and you see a bunch of red wires, then you look for anything coming from 2A. All right, so at 7A, you have to look for what's coming from 2A, and at 2A, you got to figure out where all these wires are going to. All right, so for example, this guy is going to S8A. All right, so that's a red wire. So let's look at, which is fuse box number 3. All right, so S8A, it's a red wire. That's a green wire coming from this guy. And then S8A, you gotta figure out. Okay, give up again. Oh, so I see. So we have, so that's a splice. So if it's this guy, if it has an S, that means one wire turns into like a bunch of wires, and it goes into different directions. S8A. That's green. Sorry, I gotta figure it out too. So the S is a splice. All right. So this shit confuses the crap out of me too. You see how it says S8A, red wire. Where is this? Oh, that's the main. That's got to be something big. I don't know. But here it is, guys. Oh, I didn't know what the hell this was. I didn't know if someone had disconnected it or what. But this is a daylight. If you have that option in your car, the daylight switch, then that's what it is. I guess my car doesn't have it, so it just hangs out here. Right there. Daylight switch. Okay, if your fans are not working, that's the fuses. And then, good luck. I have posted this on Ferrari chat and a bunch of Ferrari Facebook pages. So good luck.